What is up guys, my name is Chase and these are my hands. So this is a Kindle Paperwhite, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna read a bunch of books and see what happens. And I figured the best way to read a bunch of books is to actually get a Kindle. And funny enough, this is actually like my first ever Kindle product. So I am actually excited. In fact, I don't even think I've ever seen one of these like in person, so this is gonna be like brand new to me. I looked on Amazon, I think this is the 2018 or 2019 model. I don't know, whatever the newest Paperwhite is. We got a 6-inch touchscreen, it's waterproof, all that good stuff. I guess this is the cable. What kind of cable do we have? It's a micro USB cable. And then here is the actual Kindle. Oh boy, oh. Cool, cool. Dang. Like you guys know me, I'm an Apple sheep at heart, but I've always been interested in like the Amazon products. So I have a little quick start guide here, plug it in and turn it on. That's it. Let me open it up. I want to see what it actually feels like. Ooh, it's pretty. It's really light. It's small, which I'm interested to see how I'm gonna like. I don't know about you guys, but I like books that are big. But I don't know, we'll see how this works. I'm just excited to read some books. I haven't read a book in a hot minute. But anyway guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video, just a really quick little unboxing. Also sorry, my desk is just like my life, it's a mess. But you get the idea, we opened a thing. If you want to see more of my unboxing videos, feel free to check out some of the videos below. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring that notification bell. For now, my name is Chase, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.